a gloomy, cloudy ass day. It's Friday though. We had a really weird fucking work week. We made it through riding the bike. Gonna be getting it on the freeway for the first time, really. I want to get another clutch cable because I feel like this one is just stretched out all the way. And I can probably get a little bit of a better clutch performance with a better cable. I'm really having a dilemma about riding this bike because although I hella want to ride it, just don't want to do too much to it because of the given fact that I'm giving it away, basically. I'm supposed to be taking this on a ride. And I don't know if I want to do that. I mean, I do want to do it, but I don't know if I want to do it, you know what I mean? My homeboys, Street Division, his crew's having a big ride. Top bike is really nimble. My body positioning on this bike is terrible for wheelies at the moment because it keeps on coming up crooked, and that's all me, my body mechanics. I'm not used to this bike, and it feels great though. See something. This used to be one of my favorite things to do, just let the bike idle, right? And no hands, just lean it in and do my thing. So, oh man, I don't want to get back to stunting. I really don't, but maybe I do, I don't know. My body just doesn't know what to do anymore in those situations. Oh, look at that big ass fucking wrench. Look at that. But man, really cool. It's chill. For my preference, you know what's funny? I didn't even think about taking that corner. That corner was just so fucking natural. I got low on it. I didn't even think I got that low. I'm looking at the tires, and that's funny as shit because I didn't get low on this side. So you can see this is how the tires were when dude gave them to me. Just that one corner right there was this. And I know on the camera it doesn't look like I'm leaning that low, but it's the wide angle lens. I didn't even think about the process that I leaned low. I think that's just the benefit of 600. They're really cerebral. That's it.
Thank you, boss.
All right, thank you. I know some of y'all gonna think it's weird I ain't let dudes scan my shit. I scanned it myself, but I've been doing this for a while. And on top of it, it's just because they always touch the top of your drink. I'm gonna clean it anyway because it's filthy. I never drink these straight off the rack. I always clean them. Plus I'm gonna head home and clean it too. But I don't know, I just don't like use the practice of grabbing the top of your can, what you're gonna put your mouth on, and then scan it to give it right back to you, and I'd scan it myself. Ain't everybody scared of this coronavirus shit. Like you saw blood with the face mask on. Only thing that protects is if he's sick, and putting that out in the atmosphere don't protect you from getting what somebody else got. But let's get to the crib. Man, look at her. I mean, really look at her. That's a good looking girl. My tier of motorcycles as far as attractiveness has always been R6, 600RR, 636, then Gixxer. I felt a little dead spot in the throttle at a certain RPM, but I don't know, maybe it has that because, like, I mean, I know honestly a few bikes have dead spots in their RPMs. R6s, R1s, everybody has a little dead spot somewhere. So maybe that could be this bike's dead spot. But I mean, for the most part, it's a really enjoyable bike to ride. I like it, I really do. And I really wanted to ride it hard as hell like that, so I could see if something popped up, any issues, any leaks, any problems, anything like that. Seems to be all right. Still don't want to take it on that stunt ride though. Probably ride it again Sunday. Mike is really adamant on getting a motorcycle now. No, I'm not selling him this. I know he told y'all gotta worry. Told y'all all right. We're not gonna be giving this bike to Mike. Told him I'll help him find a bike. I think I found one for him. I'm gonna go pick up the bike and he's gonna ride it, see if he likes it, see how he enjoys that bike. And if he likes it, he'll buy it. I told him, like, I would really rather him ride with me, you know, kind of experience riding so that he doesn't get carried away and do a lot of dumb shit on his own, because I don't really want him getting hurt. We out here gang. So that's gonna be it for right now. We'll catch back up here on another day. I don't know. This thing is interesting. Yes, Nicole. Putting some gas in it so we can go home, baby. You ready to go home? Okay, we're gonna go home then. You fucking kidding me? It rained? Oh, hell no. Did I have anything open that should have been closed? Wow. Okay. It rained. Interesting. Damn. I left tools out and shit. Whatever.